Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable the voice chat option in large WhatsApp groups, how to start the voice chats. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to ensure that you're using the latest version of the WhatsApp. And the next thing is which is required is make sure that the voice chat feature is only available in large groups, that is 33 plus members. So if your group has fewer than 333 members, then 33 members, then the option will not basically appear. The next thing is once you are on the group, you will see a voice chat option at the upper right side. You can click on this option. You can also set here the topic for the voice chat to inform the participants about the discussion focus. What are you discussing about here? Click on start voice chat. And as you can see, no one is here. What happened is all the members will get notified here that the voice chat has been started, and the members who want to join can join here. So basically, this is how you can use the voice chat feature in large WhatsApp group. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.